Approved. Let's try out the Mented Eyebrow Pencil. I got sent this and I'm super excited to try it out. I've heard really good things about it. Like, just comes in a regular brow pencil box, and it is a precision brow pencil. Anytime you see micro or precision, that means that it has a very small, like applicator pencil, and that is what you need to create a hair-like natural looking brow, which I love. I always get a micro or precision brow, so we love that. It has a spoolie on the other end. So let's just go ahead and do a little brow tutorial. I start out by brushing the brows up, okay, and then we're gonna go in, and I like to start with a line on the underneath, very light-handed because you want everything to look natural, and just create that line of where your natural brow goes. And then once I do that line, I then like to tilt my pencil and just do lines upwards, kind of mimicking hair-like strokes. And you're gonna do that all the way down. Okay, and then once I do that, I like to go on top where the pupil starts in my eye and kind of just create that natural brow. Right there. So good. Okay, I'm gonna do my other one and then I'll show you what I do after that. So first thing, we're gonna go under and do a line. And you're very light-handed on this. You're wanting to just coast across that bottom part. You don't want to go heavy on it because then it's going to look blunt and it's not going to look natural. And then tilting my pen or my pencil and going up to create hair-like strokes. All the way down. And then I'm going to start at my pupil again on the top and create that arch. I really like this so far. Just gonna add in some more hair-like strokes right here. Okay, and now you're looking at them. They look amazing, but to do just a little bit of an extra step to make sure that they look flawless and natural, I go back in with the spoolie. I'm not hard with it when I go back in. I'm just brushing from bottom to top where I put that line on the bottom to not make it look as drawn in, if that makes sense. And this step really helps it look natural. So I'm brushing it up from bottom to top where I started that line. And it just kind of blends everything that you just did together. And now look. Tell me that does not look like a natural lash. Or not lash, eyebrow. Isn't it pretty? I love that. I really like this brow pencil. Brow or Later by Mented Cosmetics.